If you've been searching for a reliable accordion that delivers authentic folk sound without stepping into professional level pricing, this one is worth a look. Today we're reviewing the Hohner Panther G, C, F 3-row diatonic accordion, a popular instrument featuring 3 rows of buttons, 31 treble buttons, 12 bass buttons, a G, C, F tuning, and Hohner's long-standing reputation for quality craftsmanship. But is it really one of the best diatonic accordions for beginners and performing musicians? Let's find out. The Hohner Panther is designed for musicians who play traditional folk, Norteño, Tejano, Zydeco, Cajun, and regional Latin American music. Its G, C, F tuning makes it versatile for many musical styles while remaining approachable for players learning the diatonic accordion. Compared to many entry-level accordions, the Panther offers a balance between affordability, solid construction, and dependable performance, making it a favorite among students and experienced players alike. Let's begin with the instrument itself. The Panther features 31 treble buttons arranged across 3 rows, allowing players to perform melodies with greater flexibility than basic single-row accordions. On the left-hand side, you'll find 12 bass buttons that provide rhythm and harmonic accompaniment while playing. Its G, C, F tuning is widely used in folk and regional music, giving musicians access to multiple keys without switching instruments. The responsive button action helps improve playing speed while maintaining good control for both beginners and intermediate musicians. The Hohner Panther also focuses on durability and portability. Its lightweight construction makes it easier to transport for rehearsals, performances, festivals, and practice sessions. The bellows operate smoothly, allowing players to maintain consistent airflow and dynamic expression while performing. The instrument includes adjustable shoulder straps, helping distribute weight comfortably during longer playing sessions. Hohner's reputation for reliable craftsmanship also contributes to long-term durability when properly maintained. In real-world performance, the Panther produces the bright, lively sound that Hohner accordions are known for. Notes respond quickly, making fast melodic passages easier to perform. The bass buttons provide solid rhythmic support while maintaining a balanced overall sound. Whether playing solo or with a band, the instrument projects well enough for small performances and practice sessions. For beginners, the layout is approachable, while more experienced players will appreciate its responsiveness and dependable tuning. Overall, the Panther delivers excellent value for musicians interested in traditional diatonic accordion music. So, is the Hohner Panther G, C, F 3-row diatonic accordion worth buying? If you're looking for a dependable, well-built accordion that offers authentic folk sound, comfortable playability, and Hohner's trusted quality, it's absolutely worth considering. With features like 31 treble buttons, 12 bass buttons, 3-row layout, G, C, F tuning, lightweight construction, and smooth bellows, the Panther remains one of the most popular choices for beginners and intermediate players. While professional musicians may eventually upgrade to higher-end handcrafted instruments, the Hohner Panther offers outstanding value and performance for its price. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of musical instruments, accordions, music gear, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.